Pick a card, any card.
Okay, I'll choose this one right there.
This is your card?
This is my card.
Everyone sees this card, right? Memorize the card.
My God, I've never seen this one before. Okay.
Now with the magic, with my hands. Was this your
Oh
card?
my gosh. Oh my, this is crazy. Oh man. How did he do it? How did he do it?
Well,
What is your secret?
they're all jokers. Because jokers are wild.
Hey, what's up guys? Don't forget to check out my other videos from MobiCon 2018. And if you guys like things that are nerdy or cosplay, don't forget to hit that subscribe button right over there. It's only one click away. And I'll see you next time.